Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan, and in today's video I'm going to teach you the React Suspense feature. So without any delay, let's start. So before explaining it, let me show you its use. On my screen you can see that when I refresh the page, a loading skeleton is showing in the place of this post. But once my this component become ready, that skeleton gone automatically and I see the real-time content. So this is the use of React Suspense. It is used to display an alternative loading UI until your component is completing its rendering. And before start letting the actual suspense, let me show you a problem. You can see a code here where we are fetching some data. Here we have different states. One state is managed loading, one state is for error, one state is for data, and you can see that we have this use effect which is doing error handling, which is fetching the data, and also in the same component we are handling the loading state, the error state, and if there is no error then we are successfully rendering our UI. So imagine you are rendering this in 20 places. So to keep this type of logic in 20 places is going to be difficult, and if you are a beginner you can produce multiple errors in your application. Okay, now let's understand how we can use the suspense feature. Inside my component you can see that I have just imported the suspense. This is my post component which will be displaying the actual post, and this is the post skeleton. So this is the fallback UI. Until my post component will be rendered, we will display this post skeleton component. You just need to wrap up your post component inside the suspense, and here in the fallback key you need to provide here your component that will be contain the actual fallback UI. And now you can see that here is my post component. You can see that the code is very simple. We have only one function which is fetching the post data, and here we have the HTML where we are rendering that post data. So this is all the HTML. On the other hand, this is our post skeleton. This is basically fallback UI which we will display until our that component will be loaded. One more thing I want to tell you that, for example, you can wrap this more components in suspense. For example, let's suppose here you have one more component named profile. Actually this component is not existed, but suppose you have two components. This component took 2 seconds for example, and this component took 5 seconds for example. But until these both components rendered completely, this fallback UI will be displayed. Once both will be rendered, React will magically disappear this component and show them these both components. So this is the way you can use that, and you can see that until your these posts will be loaded, React will automatically show them the fallback UI. I hope that this video will be helpful for you to learn this React concept. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more React related videos. And finally, thanks for watching.